Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomato for the dish. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon on the fish? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Saute. Saute the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Crush. Crush the spices for flavor.